Hey, it's Amanda from McGuire, and we are here at Project Eclectic Envy. This is a kitchen design remodel project that we recently finished up here in Wakefield, and there's also a bar area and a mud area as well. Our homeowners were previous clients of ours, so that's always such a wonderful thing to do multiple projects for homeowners. So let's start here in the kitchen. What we did was we stayed within our existing footprint with our U-shape. So the dishwasher, our sink area, our cooking area, the peninsula. We have our refrigerator run of cabinetry, and then we did take out an existing closet in this corner and installed a tall cabinetry unit just to unify all of the cabinetry in the kitchen area. For the cabinetry, we are featuring a frameless, full overlay construction. Of course, all plywood, wood dovetail drawer boxes, the soft close on the doors and the drawers. For our cabinetry style, we have a version of a shaker door and drawer. It has a slight bevel on the inside detail, so it's transitional in style and simple, but has a little bit of character to it. For our cabinetry finish, this is a deep, bold, green painted finish. It's called Rookwood Shutter Green, and it is just stunning. The way that the German bronze cabinetry hardware just illuminates off of that green, it truly is beautiful. Now with this green painted finish, we did bring this finish into the mud space and into the bar area, which we will show you. But in this kitchen, we also brought that green painted finish to all of our trim work. So we have our door casings, our window casings, our base molding, our room crown molding, and it just pops, and it's a great finish. For our appliance suite, we implemented a matte black finish for all the appliances. This can be seen at the dishwasher, the range, and at our beverage fridge and our main refrigerator. This matte black pairs well with the mix of metals in this space. So the matte black, the black doorknobs, and then also the German bronze for the cabinetry hardware. At our sink area, we have a sill granite farm sink. We have the most adorable fabric sink skirt, and then a gorgeous bridged faucet, which is done in an antique brass. For our countertop, we installed a brighter white quartz countertop, and it has a subtle yet impactful gold vein going through. So that's beautiful, and it creates high contrast against our green painted cabinetry finish. For our backsplash tile, we have a very high textured subway tile. We brought this to the bottom of the wall cabinets, but also up to the ceiling. Another thing that we did with this tile is we installed it as the enclosure for our hood. The way that tile is brought up to the ceiling and it meets that room crown molding, and that green room crown molding just travels around the hood and around the beam, that high contrast it creates a beautiful, stunning aesthetic. So this is the kitchen space. We installed hardwood flooring, and then now we're gonna step down to the mud area and the bar area. So when we step down, we're stepping onto a different flooring material altogether. So this is an 8-inch hexagon floor tile. It's charcoal in color. Each tile varies just a little bit in color, and it has visual texture, some depth to it, and it really just grounds the space. This here is our bar area. So we have our beverage fridge, our green cabinetry, our German bronze cabinetry hardware finish. We did implement an accent for the countertop. This is a quartz material, but it mimics a concrete. And then we introduce another backsplash tile here. It's a geometric, it's a high textured tile, and it creates the perfect backdrop for, this is actually a television. So take a look at that. Across the space, we have our mud area. And with the mud area, we took out 2 existing closets. We reframed for another closet for function, and then we show a variety of storage for our mud space. What we did was we created this recess in this alcove. We show closed storage, we show hanging storage, we show open storage. Again, we brought that green painted finish over to this space as well, but implemented a stained finish for the bench top. So a lot of elements in this space. That green painted finish we mimicked again at the exterior doors, the door casings, our base molding, our window casing, and then of course in this space here we have the wallpaper. So take a look at this wallpaper. It's a large scaled print. There's a variety of greens, an array of greens. It truly is the icing on the cake. So within this project, we have the kitchen, the bar area, the mud area, and we brought a lot of fun elements. So the bold green, the gold vein in the quartz, all the different tile choices, the mix of metals in the wallpaper. It's truly a project to be envious about all the different finish selections. Keep an eye out for our blog post for more details for Project Eclectic Envy.